Let's move on. Citon put out a weekly report, and there's a lot of interesting data about Kenya in that, which I'd like to share. Credit extension to the private sector has remained below 5% and below the 5-year average of 12.4%. You can see that in this graph. Kenya shilling has appreciated against the dollar by 0.1% year to date. Yields on the 10 and 30-year Euro bonds declined to 7.9% and 9% respectively. It said one of my trades of the year was to buy that 30-year Euro bond. It was then at 9.8%, put 50% leverage on it. My reasons, I gave you my reasons previously. Nairobi All Shares up 3.45% year to date. There was a strong week last week. The All Share was up 1.9%, NSE 20 2.1%, NSE 25 2.7%. NSE is currently trading at a PE ratio of 11.8 and a dividend yield of 5%. NSE 20 is up 0.63% year to date. Safaricom market cap $9.336 billion, price earnings ratio 17.174. Citibank upgraded Safaricom. They say we see an opportunity for M-Pesa revenue growth in full year 19 to full year 24 to double from our base case assumption. M-Pesa revenue is at 35.52 billion at the half year mark, up 18.2%. A 12.5% decline in free on-board price of Murban crude lifted in December 2018 saw a sharp fall in the price of fuel at the pump. This is our single biggest expense item in Kenya and why the shilling remains firm at the moment. Barclays' mobile application Timisa has seen its loan applications rise to 10,000 applications per day from 5,000. This whole area of digital banking got such a big boost from the rate cap, and Citon have got a great analysis of Equity Bank's Easy App, Equity's Easy Biz, Equitel, KCB M-Pesa, Cooperative Bank's M-Co-op Cash, HF Group's HF Wiz. We maintain our view that continued focus and increased adoption of these alternative channels will continue to see banks increase their NFI, which contributed 34.5% of total operating income at Q3 last year, an increase from 33.3% in Q3 2017. Barclays' market cap is $622.196 million, price earnings ratio trailing 9.47. Thank you for stopping by.